What impact would it have on your life and the health of your family if your carpets were thoroughly cleaned and sanitized? Would you feel differently about preparing food if the tile in the kitchen not only looked clean, but the grout was bright and completely sealed? Do you think that those allergies which have plagued your children over the years might be less if you had your ductwork cleaned? Have you seen the inside of your ductwork? Nasty stuff.
Hi, and welcome to Lax Cleaning Service. My name's Jared. Along with my father Dennis, we have been providing carpet cleaning services since 1984. I started in the family business when I was 3 years old, and working alongside my dad in North Dakota, I learned how important it was to take your time, use the right equipment, techniques, and make sure the customer was satisfied.
We are often asked why we don't advertise a price for cleaning on our website. It's simple. Not all carpeting has the same amount of dirt and not all rooms are the same size. How can someone charge the same amount for a spare bedroom that they would a family room? They can't. That's why we can't quote a job until we see it.
Let's be honest here. If someone gives you a price over the phone or on a website, you know when they get into your house they're going to have to change their price. With our free in-home audits, you know that when we get done with the job, the price is going to be the same.
When you choose Lax Cleaning Service, there are absolutely no hidden charges. Your written quote contains the exact pricing information for the work being done. We always pre-vacuum and pre-treat the carpet to be cleaned. This loosens the oils and the dirt in the carpet, and then using non-toxic, soap-free cleaners, we thoroughly clean and sanitize your carpet. Where you once had soiled carpet, you now have carpet that not only looks great, but won't embarrass you when friends and family stop by. As with our carpet service, our tile and grout cleaning service also includes pre-vacuuming and pre-treating of all tile and grout to be cleaned. Grout lines can be quite a challenge, especially if they have not been properly sealed. We hand scrub all grout lines, and then, with our high-powered truck-mounted equipment, we use a fresh water rinse to clean all of the tile and grout. Then, depending on the package you selected, we seal the grout lines to keep the stains out and the color locked in. Do you have dogs, cats, or other pets in the house? Is there a smoker in the house? Is a family member having breathing problems or allergies? Then let Lax Cleaning Service get all that nasty stuff out of your ductwork. Over time, duct systems build up a tremendous amount of dust, mold, bacteria, viruses, and pollen. Our special duct cleaning equipment can remove those harmful elements, trapping them in HEPA filters and completely removing them from your home. After we finish cleaning, we'll spray the ducts with a special sanitizer. We can also clean your area rugs, natural stone, upholstery, granite countertops, RV and vehicle interiors, and put an amazing shine back on your hardwood floors. With our incredible 200% money-back guarantee, the only thing you have to lose is dirty floors. In other words, if you walk on it or sit on it, Lax can clean it.
Please take the time to look around our website. Read our customer testimonials. See our amazing before and after pictures of our work. Call the number below to schedule your cleaning audit. It is absolutely free and there is no obligation.